Welcome back to the Veggie Gardener, West Coast Gardener. It's been busy trimming the tree over there, and the garden is growing like crazy. I don't know, it's been in for about 2 weeks now. 2 weeks of growth, lots of thinning to do. But hey, I thought I'd give you a tip. I left some kale in, and it always goes to seed and pops up year after year, and that's all these little things right here. You see this? These are little kales, but it's basically like a weed. And you always have volunteer things in the garden, like here's kale, and you look over here, and there's dill. Actually, I find those volunteer dills grow better than the ones you plant from seed from the store. So you can leave a few of those in. They don't take up much room if they're not right in the way. But these kales, they get absolutely huge, so I leave them till about this size. They're a little bit bigger, and then you pick them all. You just pull them out. You can eat the whole thing, the root and everything. It's great microgreens. It tastes great. This is a sunflower, so you leave that. I mean, you could eat that, but why would you want to? And it's going to grow into a sunflower. That's a sunflower too. You can see the difference, right? These are the kales, so I'm going to pick a bowl full of them and make a salad. So don't go and pull all those volunteers from the previous year that planted themselves. Go ahead and make a salad. And then when you're thinning out your other stuff like kale, Swiss chard, beets, lettuce, turnips, you can eat all those tops. So add those and make a great little fresh green salad. It'll have a nice taste. Hey, that's my tip for today. Get out there and do some gardening. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. As always, hope you enjoy the view.